Hi, my name is Brianna Lawrence. I am a student at Tarleton State University. I am doing a research presentation for the course of Principles of Research for Behavioral Sciences. I am doing a research study over the effect of chronic traumatic encephalopathy, also known as CTE, on football players versus any other sport. For my introduction, I have a few points. Chronic traumatic encephalopathy, also known as CTE, is a brain disease that is commonly found in athletes, military veterans, or any human being who has suffered from repetitive brain trauma. CTE disease is something that spreads over time throughout the brain, eventually ends up killing brain cells. Most CTE is caused by either repetitive hits, concussions, or concussive impacts, or just full-blown hits or falls to the head. Chronic traumatic encephalopathy early signs are usually associated with mood swings, depression, control issues, suicidal thoughts, and dementia. For this research, I chose to do a survey. I had approximately 30 individuals participate in this research study. There were a total of 15 women and 15 men that took place in a 10-question survey intended to measure the effects on CTE on football players versus any other sport. I posted this survey on Snapchat and Facebook, and that is how I recruited my participants. For my results, I actually did not get the results that I thought. I gathered from the survey questions that CTE is most prevalent in basketball than any other sport. 54.5% of the total population of individuals surveyed have previously been clinically diagnosed with concussions during their time as an athlete. The study surveyed revealed that college athletes had a higher chance of experiencing CTE in the future than anyone else. There were also 51.5% of the participants that deal with symptoms to this day of anxiety after being diagnosed with concussions. Here are a few of my graphs that came from my surveys. About 54.5% said that they had indeed experienced a concussion during their time as an athlete. Here is where it shows about majority of them came from basketball, and here is a graph of just a few symptoms that people are still experiencing to this day after they have been diagnosed with a concussion. So overall, I did not get the results that I thought I would, but I did learn that basketball received more percentage than football players than any other sport.